What's up, YouTube? So I just got a little packet today. Actually, 2 packets. One there with like 3 packages. Hey, say what's up, minion.
What's up, YouTube?
There you go. There you go. You're learning. And another one right here. And this one came from. See if I can find it. It's right there. Hush Performance. Wait. Is it? Yes, it is. So we're gonna open this thing up and see what's inside. Let me see how I'm gonna accommodate this thing so we can all see what's inside. Let's do it this way. Boom. Yeah, good. Big old knife to open a little packet. I know I got it, but it's okay. Ooh, look at that. A packet inside of a packet. Now we can open this one up. And brake lines from Hush Performance. We have the banjo boats, the banjos, and obviously 2 lines. Nice. I like it. Good quality. Same size fitting, thread fitting. There you go. Yeah. Should be long enough. Should be good.
I
Boom.
saw what that was.
There you go. Shout out to Hush Performance for the great items. This is the 3rd thing that I purchased from them. Hopefully, if my idea goes through when it comes to like the clutch kit, the cable to hydro conversion. I'm thinking about doing my own thing down there for the pedal and whatnot, because I don't know, I had a dream about it, so I'm gonna try to do it. But I did purchase his clutch line. So the clutch line that goes from the stock master cylinder all the way to the slave cylinder outside of the transmission. So we'll see how it goes. Also, today, I've got me some goodies. That way I can keep you updated with different things. So I got me a memory card. I got me a new tripod.
Tripod? What is it?
A new tripod. And I got me
A YouTube
also
camera.
a full HD YouTube camera.
Ta-da!
I'm gonna unbox this thing later on. I'm gonna play with the camera to see how it works. And we'll be posting better videos now. Alright, so stay tuned. There'll be more things coming. There'll be more parts arriving. There'll be more stuff. Literally just got back from work. That's why I'm still like half uniform. I just took the other thing off. It's cold as hell today here in North Carolina. So stay tuned. Peace. Say bye, Allison.
Bye.